All right, so we got some number patterns here. So what we're going to do is we're going to predict the next numbers here and try and figure out what happens. So hopefully you tried this on your own. And so this one starts 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5. So the next one's going to be 5, 5, 6, and then it would be 6, 6, 7, and so on and so forth. It would keep going on into infinity there. So basically, to describe this, the first two numbers are the same, and then the next number is one higher. So now let's go to the next one. Let's go to this one down here where it's 17, then 15, then 12, then 8. Well, this looks like it's going down by 2, then down by 3, then down by 4. So the next one should be minus 5, so it should be 3. Then if we did minus 6, it would be negative 3. And this would keep going on forever. So each time it subtracts one more. This bottom one here, hopefully you're realizing that this is dividing by 3 each time. So this is going to be 16 over 27, and then it's going to be 16 over 81, and so on and so forth.